In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram unknown error premium account required message. This error can be confusing, especially if you already have an active Telegram premium subscription. In many cases, the problem is caused by an outdated Telegram app, a sync issue between your phone and desktop, or corrupted local data stored by Telegram desktop. We'll go through several safe troubleshooting steps, starting with the easiest solutions and moving on to clearing the desktop cache. If this guide helps you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical app tutorials. Let's get started. First, check whether Telegram is fully updated. If you're using Telegram desktop on a Windows PC or Mac, open the application and look for an available update. Depending on your version, you may find this option in the Settings, Help menu, or by restarting the application. Install any update that is available, then close and reopen Telegram desktop. Using the latest version is important because Telegram may introduce features or account checks that older versions do not support correctly. An outdated desktop application can sometimes display an unknown error even when your account and premium subscription are working normally. If Telegram desktop does not show an update, or if the error continues, try switching temporarily to Telegram web. Open your browser and visit the official Telegram web website. Sign in using your phone number and complete the verification process. Then try the same action that previously produced the premium account required message. If the feature works correctly in Telegram web, that usually suggests the issue is limited to the desktop application rather than your account. You can continue using Telegram web temporarily while you repair or reinstall the desktop app. Make sure you only use the official Telegram website and avoid entering your login code into unofficial websites or third-party tools. Next, verify your account status from the official Telegram mobile app. Open Telegram on your Android or iPhone, then tap Settings. Look for your profile and check whether Telegram Premium is shown as active. If you have subscribed to Premium, confirm that the subscription is connected to the same Telegram account you are using on your desktop computer. This is an important step because it is possible to have multiple phone numbers or Telegram accounts signed in on different devices. Your Premium subscription may be active on one account while Telegram desktop is logged into another. Compare the phone number or profile details on your mobile device and your computer to make sure they match. While you are in the mobile app, also check whether your account is working normally. Try opening your chats, sending a message, and accessing the feature that triggered the error. If premium features work on mobile but not on desktop, the subscription is probably active and the problem is more likely related to synchronization or local desktop data. After confirming your premium status, close Telegram desktop completely. Do not simply minimize the window. On Windows, right-click the Telegram icon in the system tray and choose the option to quit or exit. On Mac, use the Telegram menu and select Quit Telegram. Closing the application completely helps ensure that the next troubleshooting step is applied properly. Now we'll clear Telegram desktop's local storage. This can remove outdated cached information that may be preventing the app from recognizing your account or premium status correctly. Open Telegram desktop again and go to Settings. Depending on the version and operating system, the Settings menu may look slightly different, but the required option is usually under Advanced. Select Advanced, then look for Manage Local Storage. Open this section and review the available storage options. Choose the option to clear the local data or cache. Telegram may display a confirmation message, so read it carefully before confirming. Clearing local storage can remove downloaded temporary files and cached content, but it should not delete your cloud-based chats and messages from your Telegram account. After the local storage has been cleared, restart Telegram desktop. Sign in again if Telegram asks you to, and complete any verification step using the official Telegram app on your phone. Once you are back in the account, wait a moment for your chats, account information, and premium status to synchronize. Now test the feature again. If the unknown error has disappeared, the issue was likely caused by stale cache data or a synchronization problem. If the message still appears, try signing out of Telegram desktop and signing back in with the correct account. Also confirm that your desktop app is connected to the same phone number that has the active premium subscription. If the problem continues on the desktop app but works on Telegram web and mobile, uninstalling and reinstalling the official Telegram desktop application may help. Before doing that, make sure you know how to sign back into your account and that you can receive verification codes on your phone. Download Telegram desktop only from the official Telegram website or your computer's trusted application store. To summarize, start by updating Telegram desktop or testing Telegram web. Then verify your premium status and account details in the official mobile app. After that, Clear Telegram desktop's local storage by going to Settings, Advanced, and Manage Local Storage, then restart the application and sign in again. These steps resolve many account recognition, cache, and synchronization issues behind the premium account required error. If this tutorial helped you fix the Telegram unknown error, please like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. If the error is still appearing, leave a comment explaining whether Telegram Premium works on your phone, Telegram web, or desktop app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.